Can a Raspberry Pi 5 handle Deepseek? Let's set it up and test its capabilities. Deepseek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company that develops open-source LLM. Deepseek's models is known to perform well against other models. First, update the Raspberry Pi OS. This keeps your system up to date with the latest features. Next, run the installation script for a llama, which is essential for managing and running Deepseek. Once the installation is complete, execute the Deepseek command based on the specific model you want to use. And just like that, your Raspberry Pi 5 is now running Deepseek AI successfully. Here, you can see all three models in action. The 1.5B model is the fastest for daily use, while the 7B and 8B models take longer to respond.